It's your furniture's first line of defense. This crystal-clear adhesive film acts as an invisible shield, taking the brunt of daily life. Scratches from pets, rings from cups, and scuffs from objects. So the actual surface underneath doesn't have to.
Sunlight fades finishes, and spills can stain forever. Furniture protection film blocks harmful UV rays to prevent fading and creates a waterproof barrier against spills. By preventing damage, it keeps your furniture looking new and protects your investment for years longer.
Worried it will look or feel strange? High-quality films are virtually undetectable and can even enhance the look with a gloss or matte finish. Best of all, it's easy to apply and removes cleanly when you want to change with no sticky residue left behind.
FPF acts as a sacrificial barrier against scratches from pets, objects, and daily use. It makes cleaning spills as simple as wiping with a damp cloth. Blocks ultraviolet rays that cause fading and discoloration, keeping wood grains vibrant and fabrics bright. By preventing damage, it extends the furniture's life and maintains its aesthetic appeal, protecting your investment.
Furniture protection film designed for simple application and clean removal without leaving sticky residue. Some films can increase gloss by up to 30% or offer a sophisticated matte finish, refreshing the look of older pieces. Suitable for various surfaces like wood tables, glass tops, cabinets, and office desks.